Hey my boos, it's your girl StacieWo and I am back with another video. Today I will be giving you this cool glitter purple eye glam that I created. If you want to see how I created this look, make sure you guys keep on watching. For my new little boos that's coming and just seeing me, hey girl, you might as well subscribe, and also you might as well hit that notification bell button because you do not want to miss what your girl got coming for you. So with that being said, let's just jump right into this video, okay? All right, my boos, so we're gonna jump right into it. All right, first of all, I'm so excited. My husband bought me more Juvias Paste palettes. I got the Berries by Juvias Paste, the Tribe by Juvias Paste, the Warrior by Juvias Paste. Like, come on, boo, you know. And I'm going to be jumping in first, the Berries by Juvias Paste. What I'm going to use for my transition color is this cute pink right here. I had a crazy but at the same time like eventful weekend. Friday, y'all, if y'all don't follow me on Instagram, me and my husband, we dressed the city girls for the Billboard cover. Oh my God! Did you get that? Yeah. I'm so excited because me and my husband, we work very hard. Aside of me learning how to do makeup, I also am a fashion stylist, fashion director, PR. I wear a lot of hats. A lot of them. It feels very good to be, you know, doing something in the capacity of that. Now I have dressed other celebrities before. We can get into that later, but I wanted to definitely come on here and just let you guys know that for my boos that want to go out there and do things and become something, this is definitely the year for you guys. Every year is the year for you guys. How about that? Every year is the year for you, and you can do whatever you want to do, and you could be wherever you want to be. So I wanted to share my great success that I did with the City Girls, just to inspire somebody who was maybe thinking about doing fashion, or who's thinking about doing anything, starting a business, whatever you're thinking about doing, you can do it. Just like right now, I'm new at makeup. I'm self-taught right now. I have not went to class for makeup. I'm just learning as I go. If I can do this, you can too. And y'all see, only got a couple of subscribers. That's why I want to definitely give y'all a garment from my line, and I also want to give y'all like a couple of my favorite brushes and stuff like that. So if I hit 500, that is definitely what I want to do for my boobs, okay? Every 500 subscribers that I hit, I'm definitely going to be giving away some stuff to my subscribers, for real. Okay guys, now since I have that transition down, I'm going to be jumping into this shade right here, and I'm just going to be packing that right here in my crease really good, dragging it a little bit on my lid as well. And I'm going to be taking my M506 brush and I'm going to be blending that right into my crease. But yeah guys, I was so excited this weekend. Like, I was jumping on the floor, I was crying. I was so happy. It just feels great. Like, I'm very proud of myself and proud of my husband. Like, cause we was down there, baby. So now I'm going to be jumping into that darker color, and I'm gonna still use this same E18 brush right here in this palette. I'm going to be dabbing that in my crease. Take a clean brush, clean that up. All right, so now I'm going to be going into that Louise in the Rumor 2 base. I'm gonna take that and just lay that on my lid and look down, look up. Alright guys, and I cut my crease. I'm doing like a half cut crease. I'm just gonna go right back in with that M506 brush and take some of that light pink, just a little teeny bit, and just blend that out. Now I'm going to go right in with a lighter color. So now I'm going to be touching into this white from the ColourPop just to set that concealer. All right, my boo, so now since I have that down, I'm going to put a shimmer on this, jumping into the shimmer right here. So now guys, I'm going to be using this gold glitter by NYX, this purple, like this purple, and I'm going to be using this glitter primer by NYX as well. So I'm going to be taking this glitter primer, just a little bit like that. Now we're going to go into the glitter. All right guys, since we have that down, we'll be taking this eyeliner. Whew. All right guys, whew. Since I have that eyeliner down, I'm going to go right into my fade, the Smoke Show by ColourPop, and I'm going to jump into Let's Do It. I'm just going to fill that in. And then for mascara, I'm going to be jumping into the Great Lash by Maybelline, and I'm going to be pulling my lashes out some more. And then I'm going to be popping on this lash, and then I'm going to do this other eye off camera, and then I'm going to come right back for face. All right guys, so I put my eyelashes on and I did under my eye. I used this color right here, and that was actually the transition shade, and then I just jumped in and used this color right here. So that's what I did under my eye real quick. So first I'm going to be using the Hello Hydration face cream from e.l.f. All right, next we're going to be going into primer, NYX Correcting Primer. I really like this primer. I like the way it felt in my last video. So I'm going to be taking some of that and just putting that over my skin. All right, I look a little crazy, but that's okay. We're gonna get this together, okay? So for foundation, I'm going to be jumping into the Fenty 440. Y'all know the drill. I'm going to take my Rose Hip facial spray and go right and dab that right all over my skin. You know what I'm saying? All right guys, so next I'm going to be jumping into the Juvias Place foundation in the color 420. This foundation is thick and y'all might think this is crazy, but I am going to try this foundation as a concealer. It's so thick, y'all. Like, look how thick that is. I know this might look crazy, but I'm going to try this brush and I'm just gonna lay this under my eye, y'all. Like, seriously. When I tell you this works, this works. Let it sit in a little bit, let it sit in. So while I'm letting that sit in, I'm going to jump into contour. I'm going to jump into that contour palette in the Black Radiance, and I'm going to use that dark and get right on up in here, honey. All right, I have let that sit a little bit, so I'm going to go right into there and blend it out. definitely in this foundation. All right, guys, now since I have that down, I'm going to go into that 3-step sculpt kit by NYX using this right here, and I'm going to, like, it's already January. We only like 2 weeks in, and I'm so ready for what God has for me, like, seriously. Because I'm getting better and better with makeup, y'all. Like, seriously, I'm so proud of myself. I'm going to take this brush right here. This is the Dior Rhymes. I think I told you guys about the Dior Rhyme brushes. These are really cool. I'm going to just take this and just contour my nose. So now we're going to do highlight. And I've been noticing that when I watch my tutorials that you really cannot see my highlight, and that is because, y'all, I'm still scared of highlight. I am. So we're going to jump right into this James Charles Morphe palette, and I'm going to be doing some highlight for y'all, okay? And I'm gonna be going into this highlight right here. So y'all see it? I said, oh no. I'm going to highlight, okay? And stop playing. Because I was looking like, girl, like, you highlighting, but you not highlighting. You know what I'm saying? Like, I need to give it to y'all, you know? Alright guys, so real quick for baking, I'm going to be jumping into my air spun. Y'all know I love this. This has been my go-to. I want to try that Laura Mercier until I run to the store. This has been something that I love to do. Move this out the way. Get all on that floor here. Now I'm going to jump into the Dark Deep by MAC Studio Fix, and I'm going to dust that off really good. Once I'm done that, I jump into my mineral skin finish in the color Dark Deep as well, and then I just dab that all over. Now I'm going to be taking my Soothing Aloe Mist from e.l.f. Y'all know I be loving my Morphe, but I'm going to be jumping into this right now. And it feels really good. It sets the face really well. I really love this. So y'all want a ball on the budget, make sure y'all get some of this, okay? So now, guys, I just put my hair up and put my earrings, jump my earrings on real quick for you guys. And now we're going to be jumping into lip. And I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty lip. I love this lip contour. It's so cute. And this is one of my faves. I'm not going to use their pencil though. I'm actually going to go in with the LA Color brown lip line pencil and line my lips with it, because I like when I line my lips with brown. Still jump into that lip. And the lip I'm going to actually use is this lip right here. And this is actually called Trophy Wife. And now we're going to jump into the other lip that they have in here. It's like a little set kit. It's so cute. So we're going to be jumping into this just to give it a little glitter. And this is called Shameless. So guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure you guys like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video too, y'all. Also, don't forget to pick up the book from Billboard with the City Girls with me and my husband garments on the cover of it. Yes. So with that being said, thank you so much for watching this video. Peace, be blessed, and I will see my boos in my next video. Mwah. Peace.